This short tutorial shows how to buy shares of Everyman Media Group Plc, listed on the LSE plc under the ticker EMAN.L, and Everyman operates boutique cinemas across the UK. This is an educational walkthrough and not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing. To trade, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker EMAN.L to find the listing. Select the result that matches Everyman Media Group Plc to open its stock page. On the stock page, check the company description, recent news, and the price chart to understand the listing. Make sure the page clearly shows Everyman Media Group Plc, so it's the correct EMAN.L security. Tap Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to purchase, and select Market or Limit Order, then review the details. Confirm the order. If the market is closed, your order may be queued, and if you don't have enough funds, the platform will ask you to add money before completing the purchase. After execution, your new position will appear in your portfolio for monitoring. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow the example shown.